Alright, where's the little teeny tiny little park here? There's the old truck. But it used to be straight across from the old school that used to be over here. So, yeah, a little rough. It's been turned over a little bit, but we got a 55D, so we'll take that. Had a lot of good rain. The ground is super moist, so a lot of irons chirping, running full sensitivity. Alright, we'll get back with you if I can find anything else. Alright, here's our next interesting find. It's a Tommy Toys. That's what it says on the handle here. It's like a little laser pistol or something like that, I'm guessing. It's got to be the handle for it. But yeah, it says Tommy Toys, made in USA. Huh, that's pretty neat. Well, the rest of it's not in there. Nope. But it could be here somewhere, so we'll just have to listen. That'd be kind of neat to find it. Alright, on to the next. Alright, so we've traveled across from over there. Sorry, my phone ain't focused, but we got like one wheat penny and got a pretty shallow surfacer, but I think we might have a Rosie here. Where'd it go? Yeah, got a Rosie. I just kind of figured since I'm over in a spot where it's newer. 63. Alright, we'll take that all day. Who knows, might find something else. Alright, it's pretty slow going, but got a pretty good signal. We flipped it over here and we actually got multiple wheats here in one hole. One, three of them here. Ooh, old to 1912S right on top. Oh yes, that is unbelievable. That is one we need for the collection, so I'm really interested now. How early are the other ones? Another teeners, it looks like. Could be a 17. Oh shit, I might have my finger over the thing. I think that's a 17. This one could be a 34. Yeah, that's a 34. There's a 12S. I'm pretty sure that's a 17. Wow, 12S. Alright, that's nice. It's a good deal. Alright. Well, low and slow. Thinking 12S might be worth like 10 bucks, I think. So, it's a good deal. Alright, we'll get back with you. Alright, I mean, we've been just nailing the heck out of a bunch of wheat pennies. I mean, just all out of this one section all in here. But we just did get a Girl Scout pin. See, it says GS there on the top. Nice little find. Yeah, as Madison, Maine would say, it's back to the truck luck. I'm working my way back slowly. I got a good choppy signal here, and we got an Indian. I know that because it says 1 cent here on the back. I'm not sure of the date. 1905. So it looks like. Alright, we'll take it. Alright, the back to the luck truck is still holding out. I mean, I've harvested a wheat field today, and I'm pretty sure I just popped another silver here. You see it right there. Something. It's Merc. Nice, we'll take that all day long. Alright, we'll throw that in a pouch, 2 silvers and an Indian, and I've got to have at least 20 wheats or better. So, still can't wait to get home and clean that 12S up. Alright, low and slow. Alright, I mean, we're still working our way back to the truck. We've been still pulling wheats. There we go. Iron key here. It'd be like a push key, would be my guess, or something like that, where you push them into the lock there and spring them. And squeaking like there might have been a deep wheat or a deep silver, but that's what was in there. Alright, back at her. Still heading back to the truck. Alright, today's October 20th. Oh, I'm over here working. Digging out a hole to dig out my fire pit. Well, I'm down in here quite a ways and I'm cutting back dirt, and all of a sudden I see something. See it right there? There's a coin. Right there in the clod. I'm wondering if it's an Indian or a wheat penny. Holy smokes. I think it's an Indian. This is the first Indian I've ever found on my property. Ever. Holy smokes. I'm shaking, but I've been pumping a bunch of... Oh, wow. Oh, spit on there, I don't care. It's an 1873. Holy smokes. Never thought that was going to happen. I'm going to have to get the metal detector out. Yeah, it's definitely a 1873 Indian. Unbelievable. Alright. It's all tough. We're just going to have to get at it, I guess, here. I mean, I'm running out of time digging this hole, but man, I definitely am not shoveling none of this dirt back in until I go across it. Alright, see if we can find anything else. Alright, October 26th. Where I found all the good stuff the other week here. The wheat field, whatever you want to call it. So, give it another bang. I'm sure there's plenty here. I mean, so we'll focus in trying to dig some nickels here today. I know there's probably plenty of them in here, so. Alright. Let's get back with it. Alright, it's been a little bit. Kind of a weird signal. It's reading like an Indian, but it wasn't sounding quite right. But I don't know what it is, but you can see it right there. I got a shiny edge standing up. I don't know if it's a ring. I think it's a ring. It is. It's a ring with a stone in it. Alright, that was a good deal. Not sure if it has any markings. I'm betting it's probably silver. It does have a stone. Probably just a cheapo, but I'm sure that's silver. said it was sounding weird, but I wasn't going to pass it up because that's usually the ones you go for. Alright, ring-a-ding-ding, we got a ring. And we'll clean it up better when we get to the house and try to see what markings are in there. Alright, it's all tough. Get back with you. Alright, we just got a real good find here. I don't know what it is yet. I know it's a fob. It's broken. It definitely has writing on the back. I'm not sure what's on the front yet. See, something paint. It's like a paint fob or something here. Colors in oil and furniture stain. Martin's white enamel, barn paint, carriage, and something. Nice. We'll definitely get that cleaned up. It definitely has something on the front here. Like an enameled picture or something here. Yeah, it does. Okay. It's got a picture. It's in painting. Every drop 100% pure. Oh, wow. That is cool. It's the first time I've ever found one that has an insert like that. Top's broke. Looks like it's been broke for a little while. You can see where I just barely nipped it, but I might have busted it off. I don't know, but I don't care. Nothing I can do about it now. Alright, cool. We'll poke the pinpointer in there and check. Alright, it's got a little piece of iron on here, but I didn't notice. Looks like we got a marble here. Yep, so it looks like just like a black marble. Alright, whatever. We'll take it. We got quite a few wheats, nothing special. Alright, back at her. Alright, I think I just blipped another silver ring here. I don't know if you can see it here. Yeah, look at that. Boom, 2 silver rings in one day. This one looks like it's monogrammed. It's got an eagle on there. Must have had something on the front here. We're gonna check the hole here and see if it's in there. Whatever it is, it fell off. Gotta be there. Definitely a silver ring. Oh no, yeah, it's an adjustable one. Look, the band curls in. That is definitely silver. So that's the other little piece there. That it? There it is. Look at that. That's General Service Eagle. That was on there. So this must be some sort of a military ring or something here. There we go. It's the other piece. Wings on there. Yeah, General Service ring for sure. Wow, that is sweet. Sterling. Man, that was a big ring, whoever it was, too, boy. I don't see any names in there, but yeah. That just made the day right there. Alright, let's see what else we can eke up. I mean, it was right there in them roots, too, boy. Sweet. Alright, I'm back to the truck look, I guess. We got some kind of a little tiny play coin. Never seen one of this style before, so it's kind of weird. Looks like it's got an M on here or something, maybe. It says 10. 10 with some stars. Alright, so we're back from our 2 hunts from the same spot. Got everything laid out here now. And I'm going to show you guys this really quick, as this is coming up in the right after this wrap up. This is from a shed clean out I did the other week. I got some odd ends. This is a 95 Babe Ruth card. I can't remember what brand it is, but it's like a $10-15 card. So that's coming up next, right after this wrap up. So went to the old schoolyard there, worked the back end, outside the newer parking lot. Got 32 wheats. Let's see, we got the, 16, 18, 19. Pretty sure this is a 19. She's pretty toasty. It's either a 19D or an S. We got a 20S, 26, 34, 36D, 36, 36, 39, 39, 40S, 41S, 41, 42D, 42, 45, 45, 45, 46D, 46, 46D, 48, 52D, 54D, 55D, 57D, 70, 70, 80. Coup de grace is the 1912S that was in that stack of pennies, which was a good deal. I mean, probably take a little bit of toothpick action, probably wouldn't hurt it any. Just a little brush and water is all it got. There's our Girl Scout pin, some clad, lots of garbage. You got some, whenever I get a good nickel signal, it's always a damn rusty bottle top when the ground conditions are that wet. We got the 1905 Indian. We got the 73 Close Surrey. It cleaned up really nice, with the exception of right there, environmental damage. Some whatever. The coin just got some pitting from being in the ground. I mean, the rest of it I managed to get all flaked and cleared off of there. It came out really nice for being a heavily worn coin. So, I mean, you couldn't even hardly make it out, but whatever. First one off my land. We got the 41 63 Merc, or 63 Rosie and the 41 Merc. Nothing special there. D on him. We got that fob. Pretty neat. Every drop 100% pure. And the back here is pretty neat. I like how it talks about the barn paint and carriage and wagon paint right here. I mean, you just pause that somewhere in there and you'll be able to read it. So, yeah, it's a real nice deal. I like that fob. Probably a Princess Pat compact piece here, so that goes in the junk pile. Here's the marble, the play coin. You guys seen, which is kind of an interesting type. And then there's our World War II General Service Army ring. And I just got it held up right there just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like all in one piece, because you guys remember I had to go in the hole and get that chunk there. So she is pretty sizable. I mean, you can see how far in it's collapsed there. I mean, there's Mark Sterling in there. That's this ring was well worn. The eagle is sitting on a shield, and the shield is almost rubbed away. I mean, you can see this ring had many years of wear on there, and too bad it didn't have a name on the side of it. So I would have tried to locate the family if that would have been the case, but I will see about getting this fixed one of these days. So I mean, that was a real nice find. And then our other little silver ring here. It's Mark Sterling in there. It's got the U with an arrow going through it to the left. A little fake little stone in there, more than likely. Kind of glass or something, maybe. Yeah, little tiny sterling silver ring there. So 2-ring day. It's a good deal. Alright, you guys. Yeah, and bicycle reflector here. Too bad it's busted. If it wasn't, you know, I would keep it. It's a shame there. It's not a glass one anyway. And then a little true blue button. Yeah. Alright, it's been all tough. Alright, now on to the next part. Alright, you guys. I just came in and helped sort out like a garden shed just full of garbage, but there was some treasures in there that I did take out, minus a couple things. I was hoping to get a big chest of tools, but like I said, it got me a couple lights and some signs, a couple rotators there, another sign there. I got this nice vintage fan. I like the color on there, so I might just put that in my garage. I know the lighting's not the best. Old mailbox. A couple hand drills. Found this old Wilson football in there. I thought it was pretty neat. So, might make a decent display piece. This here is pretty nice. I had to have that when I seen it. It's a complete sharpening service. Something, but whatever. It's got a bunch of saw blades in there. It's made of wood. I thought that was really neat. I like that. There's a few tools there. Got me a flag. I mean, there's neat high temp antifreeze there. Something for my display shelf downstairs, and WWII Navy, 1995, and these here really, I was really happy to get these. These are a pressed fiber decoy here. Not sure what year they are. This one's a little beat up on his beak there. He's got the cat's eyes in him still, and it's General Fiber Co. AR Duck, regulated U.S. Patent Office, St. Louis, Missouri. St. Louis to Missouri, whatever I guess that is. So yeah, it's like a fiber pressed. But that's not what got me excited. What got me excited is when I was going through some other boxes and I found an envelope. Well, got a couple coins in here, right? 2008 presidential, 2010. Supposed to be A grade uncirculated, but check this out. 99 pure silver is enclosed, right? Well, if I didn't know any better, it's either a $50 in here or another round. It's like a half. I haven't looked yet, but we're going to find out right now. We're going to see what it is. Oh, they're little mini bars. I mean, what it is too. Check that out. USCG. One gram, 999 pure silver. So, that's 3 grams. 5. Like 5 grams of silver there. Oh yeah. That thought might have been a silver half because it's in that container. Silver ingots, United States Commemorative Gallery. Authentic, commemorative, precious metal, yada yada yada. Hey, we'll take that all day long. So, there wasn't 6 in there, but whatever. We'll take the 5. And you know those retail for way more than for what they are here, so. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This was kind of a fun little unveiling here, so definitely was worth my time to go through the shed and sort out garbage from good stuff, right? So, you know, I think it's even worse keeping this thing here, so, whatever. It's been outlaw tough.